Hey y'all, been wondering where I've been? Been at the chicken box, y'all. Welcome to the chicken box. I've been down here for, I don't know, 4 or 5 months, and I started thinking, what can we do with this little bitty space that we have in here? And my general manager, Troy Moxley, who is awesome, every time I would say something, he would write it down, and I'll be daggum if we didn't open a new business. Last week was our first week of business, and this is it, y'all. This used to be our catering office. I got a bag lady cooler on this side. So we're doing some of our, this is from yesterday. We had spicy chicken cashew wraps. We did fruit salads. I'm doing trio sandwiches. We've got beer and banana puddings and waters. We've got our soda machine in, sweet tea. On this side is the hot food. So we do our buffet from the Lady and Sons. So you can get one meat with 3 sides, or you can get 2 meats. We do a chicken box, which is 2 pieces of chicken and 2 biscuits for $8. You can add a drink for $10. We have barbecue sandwiches. We're doing a hot honey chicken finger wrap today. So this is a place where I can come in. We're open Monday through Friday. We do it 11 to 3. I can still pick up my kids from school, and I get to cook, you know, whatever I want. So I go to the market and I find fresh things, and I love spicy cashew chicken wraps. So I started making those. Today I've got some fresh croissants from a local bakery. So we're gonna make some tuna salad and some egg salad for our croissants. I've got chicken salad every single day. I'm doing a broccoli salad today. It's a lot of work. I done messed around and got myself another job, but I love it. Being down here gives me something that I don't get anywhere else. I get to visit with all the people, and they want to talk about mom and how much they love them. And I get to play with food, which I've been doing since I was 15 years old, which has been 40 years now. Woo! So anyway, y'all, this is the chicken box. It comes from it's a co-op here. It's from the Bad Lady and Sons, and the chicken box, which is the new piece for us. We're at 106 St. Julian Street, so we're on the back side of the Lady and Sons restaurant. We've got 24 seats outside. So this is it, y'all, and I've got the sweetest little staff. I work with Danielle and Sahai, and Teresa's in here, and there's Danielle right there. Danielle's going to Disney University. She's going to be a princess down in Orlando, so I only have her for a little bit short of time, but I love her. She's I want to say the best opener, but I don't know who else is going to watch this. She's one of the 3 best openers that I have. How many openers do I have, Danielle?
You have 1 other opener.
I have 2 of the best openers ever. Thank you, Danielle. And I tell you what, I love it. And I hope y'all have a chance to come down here and see us. I've got the best staff. It's really a beautiful place to sit and have a lunch. The locals, I'm doing it for the locals. I want it to be affordable, fresh, and delicious. Okay, so I miss seeing y'all in the videos. Come down here and see me, because I got a job again, y'all. Appreciate it. We'll see you next time around the chicken box.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.